Want to take control of what your kids can watch on your TV? In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to set up parental controls so you can manage content and ensure a safe, family-friendly viewing experience. Parental controls. From the Fire TV Stick home screen, use your remote to go to the Settings menu. Select Preferences, where you'll find most of the important control options. Inside Preferences, choose Parental Controls to begin setup. When you click Parental Controls, you'll be asked to set up a 5-digit PIN. This PIN is important because it will be required whenever someone tries to change settings or access restricted content. Make sure to choose a PIN that kids can't easily guess. Once your PIN is set, you can decide what to restrict, such as app launches, purchases, or age-rated videos. From now on, whenever someone tries to open a restricted app or make a purchase, the Fire TV Stick will prompt for your PIN, ensuring safe and controlled viewing. Access content. Remove content. That's how you set up parental controls on your Fire TV Stick. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.